Hey y'all, so I wanted to come on and do a quick unboxing. As you can see, I have this beautiful huge box, and I cannot believe that I was one of the giveaway winners with Design Essential. Y'all know how much I love Design Essential. That's one line, one company that has not let me down when it came to my hair. Come on now. Y'all see the growth. Y'all see the growth. But anyways, let's get into the box, y'all. It says, your collection for curls just got bigger. Try our 6 new products that takes waves, curls, and coils to another level. Child, not only did they send me products, I got an Ulta Beauty gift card. Listen. Oh, sweet. So let's get up in it. They have a lot of this nice fluffy gift wrapping stuff. So I'm just gonna maneuver it. First up, we have the Almond and Avocado Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask. This is my first time using this, so I know this line will work, but if 2 products was bringing my curls out, I know this mask, my curls gonna be like hydraulics, like bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay, let me keep going. We have Almond and Avocado Overnight Recovery Treatment. Let's just say, you know how when you go out and you come home and you put your bonnet on, you can put this on your hair, and it'll juice it up while you're sleeping, and you just take that bonnet off and fluff it. No type of daily moisturizing, going on about your business. I like stuff that saves me time. Next, Daily Curl Revitalizer. Just a little spray and go. Yo, this smells like candy. And they even hooked me up with the Honey and Shea Edge Tamer. I love their edge tamers. I don't really have baby hairs because my hair is too long on my edges, and I'm not that type to cut for baby hairs. But I am. Anything else? Ooh, look at this cute little bag. Yes. Thank you so much, Design Essential. I love my gift box. And guys, if you see something out there, just go ahead and enter. You never know if you're going to win, because this caught me by surprise. And I'm out.